Hello and welcome back to Coffee and Budget. This will be the third paycheck for the month of October that we will be cash envelope stuffing today. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am new to the budget community on YouTube. I'm not new to the budget community in my real life, but on YouTube I am new. This is my third video ever and also the third paycheck for the month of October. So if you guys are new here as well, we're all newbies, so welcome to all of us. If you are actually returning, you're already subscribed to this channel, I just want to say thank you so much. I know it doesn't seem like a big deal to a lot of people, but I went to sleep with 3 subscribers one night and I woke up to 13. I was like, what? I didn't even realize. I was like, oh, I'm at 13 subscribers. So yes, my first goal of 10 subscribers have been met, and I am so proud of myself, and I'm proud of you guys for actually subscribing. So if you are subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. If you're not already subscribed, if you do enjoy these kind of videos and you like watching my videos, be sure to subscribe before you exit out of this video today. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into this video. You will not believe it, but it is 1 a.m. in the morning. And this week has just been so crazy for me. I didn't have a chance to actually do this during a decent hour, but my house has finally calmed down at the moment. So I was like, you know what? Let me do this video before I go to bed because I'm actually not tired. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out. And yes, this is not a coffee. This is a cappuccino that I made for this video. I will be drinking this when this video is over. So the faster I make this video, the faster I can drink my coffee / cappuccino. And yes, I'm drinking at 1 o'clock in the morning. Anyways, guys, I'm done rambling. I've rambled enough, so let's jump right into today's video. Gas will be getting $60. And as I stated in the previous video to this one, this cash envelope, we do not use cash to get gas. We actually use a gas card that is specifically for gas only, and we just use this envelope to pay the card back. The card did get paid on the 25th of this month, so I do have to deposit most of this into the bank account to cover that charge. And that'll be done probably tomorrow or sometime next week. Groceries is getting $100, and we have wiped out groceries for the week. And I forgot to write down gas, so let's just go ahead and add the grocery, which forgot to count the gas, so let's go ahead and count that so we know how much is in here. 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70. So that's 170. Eating out, we actually have money left over, and this is because we went out of town this past weekend. You will see from our vacation envelope that is empty, and we used the vacation money for our eating out money while we were out of town. So I didn't have to use up the money out of here. But this change will go into my kids' piggy bank. And let's see how much we have left. 1, 2, 3. $3 will also go into my kids' piggy bank. Aren't they so lucky? And eating out for this week will also get $60. On to the binders. On to the binders. Gifts will be receiving $30. 20, 40, 60, 70, 85. Christmas will be receiving 30 as well. Now I know what y'all are saying. I know the last video, if you watched the last video, I said that I was going to go ahead and get these envelopes labeled. However, this week was beyond busy. I didn't get a chance to sit down and do anything other than my 9 to 5 job. So didn't get to do that. But it'll be done. It'll be done soon, guys. You can hold me accountable by leaving a comment and be like, girl, go get them things labeled properly. I would not take offense to it. I would use it as you trying to motivate me. So $30 for Christmas, for a total of 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. $290. And I hope I counted that correctly, because a video I did something wrong. But y'all, somebody caught me. Good looking out. Vacation again. Vacation is wiped out. And this little change we have left will be going into my children's piggy bank. I want to be like them when I grow up. And vacation is getting 30. And then our next vacation is coming up the second weekend in November. I highly doubt I have enough money to even do something with that, but always good to have a backup. Beauty is also getting 30. $10, $20, $25, $30, $35. And this beauty is for, once again, my son's haircut. I think my husband has to get his hair braided tomorrow. Might have to go towards him instead. We'll see. What did I say, 35? I think I said 35. Emergency is getting a big chunk today, y'all. I am amazed at Emergency. We're getting $50 for Emergency. We have 20, 40, 50, 60, 5, 75. Family date, we'll be getting 20. $20, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, $85, $90, $95, $100. I think it's time to plan a little date with the kids. Probably gonna do bowling soon. If not, we're gonna go to the skating ring, because $100 is enough for a family date. House will be receiving 50 as well. It is time for our grass to be cut again, so I'm just preparing for that. $50, $70, $80, $90, $101. And I hope I counted that right. School is 20. And we do not count, I do not count the school envelope, because there's a bunch of ones in here and it really doesn't matter to me how much is in there or not. Health is getting 30. I actually had to use this the other day. I had to buy some Dayquil and some NyQuil because I was not having it. $20, $30, $40, $45, $50, $51. Funny thing is, I used this the other day to buy the NyQuil, and then I completely forgot that I had my health spending card for my job, which still has money on it, and I need to use it before the end of the year because it's non-refundable. So I need to figure out something to buy with that health card. The next binder is going to get $5 for our, for my $5 challenge. This will be counted at the end of the year. I'm debating if I want to count it the last paycheck or like January 1st. We'll see. You guys will see as well. Debt Snowball is getting $10. And I also do not count this, but it is the end of the month. So this will be going towards a credit card by the 1st. So this amount will go towards a credit card. We'll see which credit card is the lucky card. My kids are not getting no money in here. Already added to that. Okay, camera and okay. Alright, so that is done. And then we have the last 1 in 5, which is for my coffee fund for the next 2 weeks. So I did put my last 15 from last week onto my Dunkin' Donuts app, and I actually still have money left over, guys. So I didn't even go to Dunkin' Donuts as much as I thought as I was. As much as I thought I was, I did not even go. And I actually got gifted some coffee money throughout the week as well. So listen, I appreciate the gifts from my homies. I appreciate y'all. Y'all probably not watching this, but thank you guys for gifting me coffee. It's always appreciated. So I didn't have to use my little $15, but I will be adding this to my Starbucks app instead of Dunkin' this time. I gave Dunkin' Play last week. We're gonna give Starbucks Play for the next 2 weeks. But you know, Starbucks is like 2 drinks, maybe 2.5. But yeah. And then y'all didn't even tell me that I stopped writing down the totals. But I don't count these totals anyway, right? So let's just cross that off. Cross that off. I don't remember health, but y'all remember health. Alright guys, so the total that we have stuffed today is $540. That is a lot. That is more than what I normally would stuff. Let me see if I can look at the other one. Let me see. Yeah, the last time we stuffed $282. And this time we stuffed $540. I don't usually stuff that much because this is a low income video. However, I guess because it was his 3rd paycheck for the month, it kind of helped us out and balanced out some money. It gave us a little extra points. So this was a higher than normal amount, but I'm grateful, guys. So yep, that's it, guys. So thank you so much for watching today's video. If you did make it this far and you did enjoy this video, be sure to go ahead and leave a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment if you have any questions or concerns. Anything in the comment section below. I would love to read your comments. I love to interact with you guys. And if you're not already subscribed and you did enjoy this video, you actually made it this far, I mean, why not subscribe? I mean, it's free for you. It's free for me. It's not going to cost us anything, you know? But I'm going to thank you guys in advance for subscribing and liking and leaving those comments. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.